just through the rainbow, in the magical world of Fairytopia. Barbie stars in an all-new movie.
I'm Alina, and this is Bibble. We came all the way from the Magic Meadow. Our guardian is missing. Our fairies can't fly, and the flowers... my home. I think I have to go to Fairy Town. What?
Alina summons the courage to help and embarks on a fantastic journey through Fairytopia.
The fairy wings will guide your way.
Bibble, Alina's quirky but lovable puffball, joins her on her magical quest.
We're flying, Bibble! We're really flying!
Get ready, folks.
Alina learns the value of true friendship. But can a wingless fairy save all of Fairytopia? Barbie Fairytopia, coming to DVD and video, spring 2005.